Today's devotional, I want you to listen in the background. I'm going to be real quiet for a second and let you hear. I'm assuming that you can hear the locusts in the background. Locusts, they're born in the ground. They come out. They incubate for 7 years. They come out and they live for a year, and then they're gone. When I think about that, the thing that I remember is a lot of times, are we willing to wait and make a big noise? Locusts, you know, make a big noise. If you were able to hear them in the background, you know that in the trees that they're so noisy, it's like you can't hear anything else over them. So I want you to remember that God cares so much about you. Be like the locusts. The Bible talks several times about locusts and how the locusts consume things and the locusts eat things up and how God will restore what the locusts have eaten. Remember to make a noise going through. Remember how big your God is and how much He cares about you, and make a big noise like the locusts do, because you have a lot longer than 1 year to do it. You have from now all the way through eternity. Remember, Jesus is Lord, and Jesus loves you, and so do we.